Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today is Monday, September 14th, and I just wanted to come on here and say hello to you guys. My birthday is in October. I will be 43, and so what I think I'm gonna do is upload a video every day for the month of October. So what I decided to do was I decided to go ahead and get started with recording those videos. Even though some of the videos won't be recorded in the month of October, I'm still gonna upload them for the month of October. And the reason why I'm starting early, I don't know if that's cheating or not, but then again, it's my channel, so I can do things the way I want to. And I can make up my own rules. You don't have to be like everybody else. Well, the reason why I'm starting to record the videos now is because I think for me, it might be a little impossible for me to record a video every day. And each day I record a video, I edit it and upload it. I have work to do, I have a job, I have a family, and I have me. And the thing about it is when I edit, between 3 to 5 hours to edit a video. I wanted to bring you guys along today on what I'm going to eat today. I'm not going to say I'm on any type of diet. However, what I am going to do are intermittent fasting. I cleaned my pantry out the other day. So the things that I did leave in my pantry, let me show you guys. So these are some of the items that are in my pantry. So I have beans and tomatoes. So that's like a little meal that I can mix up together. You know, pinto beans and black beans both go with tomatoes. So maybe I can make that one day like into a little soup. Then I have some lentil vegetable soup. And then I have this hearty chicken and rotini soup. I might eat that for like a lunch one day or something like that. Then I have this green tea, but this tea isn't for me though. And then this alkaline water, this isn't for me as well. So I have some olives. Maybe I'm going to use those one day as a snack. I don't know. I'm trying to make me a little piece out of something. I don't know. But I have the Tuscan herb Alfredo with wine sauce. So I think what I'm going to do one day is make some chicken and add that to it. I have some balsamic vinaigrette dressing so I can use that on a salad. I have vegetable oil, which I like to fry vegetables, so I can use that one day as a snack on the weekend, or just even during the week, you know, just fry me up some vegetables and eat those for dinner. Then I have some applesauce, I have some pineapple, and I have this apple cider vinegar. That small bottle, I'm actually going to give that to my brother. And the other bottle, I think what I'm going to do is, I need to check the date and make sure it's not expired. I think I'm going to take a shot of that every day because I heard that's pretty good for you. And then, of course, I have my tried and true, my pink cranberry juice. Then here, I have one granola bar left. Then I have the cream of wheat. And then all these boxes of oatmeal. This is for me and my boyfriend. Then some cereal, Mexican rice and tacos. And then I have some pasta, which is the rotini noodle, and then I have the super greens pasta, and then I also have the whole grain pasta, and I have another super green pasta here. So what I think I'm gonna do with the pasta, guys, is make maybe a pasta salad or something like that with some vegetables one day, or make a spaghetti, and that'll be a day that I maybe eat a carb or something, I don't know. Then I have the cranberry cashew honey granola, and this is something that I use, I can put in yogurt. Then I have some brown sugar, that's for like a sweet potato. Then I have rice cakes, of course, because I love my rice cakes. And I have the lightly salted rice cakes. I have some flax seeds. And I have the wonton strips. And the wonton strips I put in like soup, or I put in a salad. So yeah, guys. So these are the items that I left in my pantry. So I don't think it's too bad. I don't think it's bad at all. Got me some water. What I did was I opened a 24 pack of water and I put it in the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one water out. And what I'm also going to do is take some eggs out, because I'm going to boil me 2 eggs for later. Drink this bottle of water before I eat my breakfast. I plan on starting my breakfast at 10. And my last meal is going to be at 7 o'clock. Let me weigh myself, and I'm going to show you guys me weighing myself so you can get the real deal of my weight, guys. And I'm sure I have gained some lbs because I have not exercised. Let's see how much I weigh, guys. Let me get up on here. You look straight ahead. Normal. Wow. 230. Wow. 230. I think that's the most I ever weighed. Weighed 230 before, and I have lost some lbs. So now I weigh 230. But to be honest, guys, I really think the reason why I'm saying 230 is because I have this phone in my hand and I have these clothes on. Because I weighed myself this morning when I got up and when I got in the shower, and I weighed 228.4. So let me put this phone down and see how much it weighs. See if it said the same thing. Guys, as we can see, my scale is not the, okay, now we're back to 0. My scale is not the most reliable. Let me try this one more time. Okay, I'm letting the scale get to 0. Let me get back on here again. Let's see what happens. So now it's saying 229. Guys, now it's saying 229.8. So it said 228.4 this morning, and I didn't have anything on. Then when I weighed with you guys, it said 230. Then just now it said 229.8. So what I'm going to do is write down the 228.4 weigh, because for the simple fact I didn't have anything on. So that's what weight I'm going to use. So yeah, guys, so this is the book I'm going to use to write down my weight and the food that I'm going to eat this week. And I did a video on this book, and I'll link it down below. But yeah, guys, so this is the week of September 14th. So I'm going to write that on here. And then I'm going to write down my weight. And then I'm going to keep track of my water intake as well. 9, 14, 20. And my weight is 228.4. So I have my weight written down. I have the date. The week of is the 14th. And what I did was I put a W for water. So since I'm getting ready to drink my first bottle of water, what I'm going to do is just highlight the box each time I drink a bottle of water for the day. So these are the eggs that I have boiled for later on. This is the bottle of water that I just finished. Because like I said, I wanted to drink a bottle of water before I eat my breakfast. So guys, this is my breakfast. I have another bottle of water that I'm going to drink. I have applesauce, 1 rice cake with half an avocado, and I put a little sea salt and a little red pepper flake in it. And then I have my hair vitamin here, my blood pressure pill, and my potassium pill. So I'm going to do a little haul for you guys. But the other day I went to the mall, and it wasn't quite the other day. It was Saturday. I went to the mall, and I got me some gold hoops from Forever 21. They was $3.99, and I think they cute. Not too expensive, not too bad, and they're not too big. So yeah, I got these little gold earrings because I needed some. And guys, let me tell you something, I wear jewelry, I wear it all the time, the same thing over and over again. Start turning colors. And then I also got me, I saw this on Instagram, so I ordered it. I ordered me a waist bead because I heard like whenever you are in the process of trying to like, ooh, I can't hardly open this. Whenever you're in the process of trying to lose weight, a waist bead is something good because it can help you measure your waist and show you your progress. So yeah, guys, I got this little waist bead right here. It's a cute little package. And it says, Wasted by Shells. This is where I got it from. And yeah, so let me see what's going on here. I got a little card. Thank you for your order. Take 10% off your next order with code. Okay, I'm back. Tag us to be featured. Okay. Honey, I don't know if I'm going to be tagged or nothing to be featured because this is Bella's of mine. But yeah, this is the little waist bead. This is cute. Okay, guys, so I have to get some groceries later today. So what I'm going to do now is write my little list down really quick. Okay, guys, I'm all done with my list. So I have everything that I need to get from the different stores. So for Food Line, I have 2 cases of water, ground turkey, peppers, avocado, fresh broccoli, sweet potato, broccoli slaw, apples, spinach, mushrooms, and green beans and chicken. So that's from what I'm getting from Food Line. Okay guys, I just put me some broccoli and cheese tots in the oven. That's going to be my lunch today. And now, while that's cooking, I'm getting ready to make me a matcha green tea latte. Okay guys, for my matcha green latte, I have my glass here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my matcha latte green tea mix. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a teaspoonful of matcha tea latte, put it in the glass, and then I'm going to take some maca powder. And I actually need to get me some more because it's on this last leg. Probably can make me 2 more lattes with this. So what I'm going to do is just take a spoonful, but I'm going to put more than that in here. There go my water boiling. So that's going to go in there. So I think the next use is going to be the end of it. All right, calm down. So then what I do is I just take my water and put it in here. And the reason why I put a little bit of hot water in here, guys, is so the maca powder and the green tea latte can kind of dissolve. Maca powder is kind of hard to dissolve. So put that in there. Let it dissolve a little bit. So then next, I put me some coconut milk in my green tea latte and my green tea latte matcha, my matcha latte. So I shake this up really good. Fill it up. Okay. Then I have some Italian sweet cream creamer. Shake that up a little bit. And the reason why I put this creamer in here is because I wanted to give it a little flavor so I can get the taste. Just pour a little bit in there. And just stir it on up. Give me a straw. Give me a straw. Black pepper. And garlic powder. Okay guys, so here's my lunch. Broccoli tots with a little bit of ranch dressing and another water. Hey guys, it is now 5:05. I'm getting ready to cook my dinner really quick because I'm not eating after 7 p.m. So I'm going to cook this spinach. I'm going to rinse all this spinach off and get all the good pieces that I can get out of here because as you can see, the expiration date was September 11th. That was 3 days ago. I have some tomatoes and I also have my boiled eggs, other piece of avocado that I took out of the refrigerator. I'm letting it get room temperature. I know this is like a weird combination, like spinach, tomatoes, avocado, and eggs for dinner. But that's what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I mean, it technically it's a salad. This is my spinach and tomatoes cooking. I've already started eating, so. But yeah, this is my tomatoes and spinach, avocado, and boiled egg. And then here's my bottle of water. This is going to be my 4th bottle for today. And this is the 3 empty bottles from earlier. You know, I was like, let me just go ahead and eat my dinner now, being that I'm running errands afterwards, and I don't want to eat past 7 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is a brief grocery haul right quick. I went to 3 different stores. So first things first, I got some Bricho hot dog bun, bread from Trader Joe's, seeds, of course my maca tea, some frozen red peppers and onions, blueberries, organic rainbow cauliflower, vegan hot dogs. Then I went to Lowe's. I got some watermelon. I got 2 things of watermelon from Lowe's. Went to Aldo. I got some black pepper and 2 things of almond butter. Went to Walmart and got 2 things, 2 baking pans. Then, Food Lion, I got 2 things of sweet potatoes, almond milk, 2 things of spinach, big bag of frozen vegetables, got a pack of chicken, Beyond Burger, 2 packs of ground turkey, mushrooms, ranch pack seasoning, broccoli, apples, coconut milk, avocados, green bell pepper. So guys, I was so happy when I went to Food Line and they had these nuts because I love these nuts. So I got 3 bags because I've been going in there the last couple of weeks and they've been out. Okay guys, as you can see, I wrote everything down in my book. I have my breakfast here, my snack, lunch, and dinner. And so far I've drank 4 bottles of water. It is currently 8:52. So now that it's 8:52, what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night is just drink water. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is day 1 of Vlogtober. Like I said, I'm gonna upload a video every day from the month of October because that's my birthday month. And today's video is the first video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And I really appreciate you all. And I wish you all a peace of mind because a peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Okay, guys. So always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.